In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use control fields in Looker Studio reports. Whether you're just getting started with Looker Studio or looking to enhance your report building skills, understanding control fields is a valuable asset. These steps will guide you through the process simply and effectively. First, you need to open your web browser and search for Looker Studio. Once you find it, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This platform provides an excellent way to visualize data, and being logged in is the first step to accessing its powerful features. Next, open the Looker Studio report you wish to edit and make sure you enter the edit mode. Being in edit mode is essential because it allows you to make modifications and apply the control fields we are about to discuss. Now, focus on the toolbar at the top of your screen. You'll want to locate the option labeled Add a Control button. Once found, go ahead and click on it. This is where you can decide what type of control is most suited to your data needs. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see several control types. Let's first look at the drop-down list. This is ideal for situations where you have a predefined list of dimension values, like a list of countries. It's particularly useful when you want to make your data more interactive and allow users to select from known options quickly. If you prefer something different, the input box might be the way to go. This functions much like a search bar, allowing users to type in specific text or a value to filter the data. This is particularly handy when you have a significant amount of data and want to narrow it down by specific keywords. Then, there is the checkbox control, which is perfect for Boolean fields, such as true or false conditions. Use this to include or exclude data based on particular criteria, adding another layer of interactivity to your report. Once you've chosen your desired control type, the next step is to click on your report canvas and place the new control. Positioning it on your report canvas is as simple as a mouse click, and this ensures that it is part of your report layout. Lastly, it's time to configure the control field. As soon as you place your control, you'll notice that a Properties panel appears on the right side of the screen. This is where you can customize your control further. Under the Control Field setting, you'll select the specific dimension or parameter by which the control will filter. For instance, if you opted for a drop-down, you could choose Country to allow users to filter the report by geographical location. With these steps completed, you've successfully added a control field to your Looker Studio report, enhancing its interactivity and making it a powerful tool for data analysis. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.